Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how to install the SignText add-on for Corel Draw. So download the zip file and extract it, and you will see the folder, which is what was in that. Double click that and you will get the MSI file. Double click that. Windows will probably complain, but just click on here and run anyway. You may find your Norton antivirus may well complain about it as well. That's fine. Just click on run this program anyway. And you should then start the installer running. So here it is, and there we go. Let's put that up there. Click next. Accept all the terms. This is just standard Windows stuff. Click next. Select the programs that you want to install it into. You can see I've got I've got 5 here. As they are at the moment, you can just install them to all of them. If there's some you want to leave out, if you just click on the button and click on that, you will see that goes to a cross and it won't install in that one. So I'm going to install it on all of them. Click next and click install. You'll be invited to let it make changes. Click yes. And that is effectively it. You are now installed. Click finish and you are now done. We can close that down, and if I run Corel Draw 2021 very quickly, what we should see that the installer has run, and it has added the Docker in our Docker list, which if we go to Windows, to Dockers, we can see SignText at the bottom. Click that, and there we can see the Docker, and we can treat this as any other Docker, closing it down, expanding it, dragging it away if we choose to, and you just treat it as any other Docker. Okay, and that is how to install SignText.